welcome back to Rose's Workshop. I have to, first things first, I owe you all an apology. I'm so far behind on videos, it is unreal. You will notice I have got some facial hair. That's how long it's taken me to, between this video and my last one. I've hit puberty at the ripe old age of 33. Anyway, so I apologise for that. I will try and catch up with videos soon. I have videos from May. That's how far back I am out of date. Anyway, quick video today because I'm doing something I've never done before. Why not film it? I came out from work today and driving home, and you know when you get used to a car, the car was just, it wasn't itself. I was sort of changing lanes and it was wanting to change lanes on its own, and I thought it was the Watts linkage at the back here, but upon further inspection when I got home, this tyre was flat. Thankfully it still had some air in it, but it was flat. Anyway, I've pumped it up and I found this chap. Hello. And I thought, well, when I bought the car in Riyadh, my intention was to use this to go off-roading and what have you, and do obviously the Dakar, which I did a little bit. So I bought one of these puncture repair kit. I've never used one. I've seen the odd video of people using them, but I've never done it myself. What a good opportunity. If I cock up, it doesn't matter. The FJ is running, so I'll just take the wheel off, put it in the back of the FJ and go down to the tyre shop about a kilometre away. So it's worth a shot, isn't it? So I'm going to have a look at the tools I have. I have some cement. I have some tyre bungs. These are not too sticky. Some repairs for punctures on tubes. A couple of valves which I have used. Valve tool, tyre pressure gauge, and an insert removal tool. I also have my everyday carry snap-on knife by Kershaw. Fantastic knife. Really like it. So yeah, let's start with something, shall we? And so I've got the tyre pumped up to about 35 psi. First things first, I'm going to remove the offending article. Might just quickly draw around it, although the hissing noise is a bit of a giveaway. I don't know where I picked this up. Could be at work, could be anywhere, couldn't it? So that's the screw out. Decent size screw. Got my tool. Let's work this in. Good God. This isn't easy, is it? And it is just there. Oh, that's good working in. Make sure the tip is still on, and visions of the tip coming off. So in the videos that I've seen, I'm going to work this in and out until it gets quite free flowing. just pleased I'm not at the side of the road in 50-degree heat, which isn't uncommon. Right then. So next we take one of these little buggers. And fit it This will be the third puncture I've had this week. I've had 2 on Priscilla and 1 on this now. So this is nice and squidgy. Ah, so there's a slit. I was expecting a knife there. So once you get it in, you can quickly tug it out, she says. So feed this through the hole, like so. Right, got the glue, rubber cement, instructions. Let's put a hole in the top of the glue. Oops. Put ample glue on here. All the way around. Obviously I don't know where the end is going to be of the insert. Oops, don't get on with me, too late. That's all on there, nice, nice. It's prayer time. Put some more on the leading edges. Out with that one. In with this one. Oh gosh. This technique may not be approved, but it's the one that I'm using. Can't quite tell if it's in. Way. This is innuendo bingo. Definitely at the double digits by now. Okay. I'm gonna put some air in the tire so I've got something to fight against. Trying to get most of it in. Most of it's in. Something's got to stick, surely. Let's see if that's done it. If not, we'll go again, maybe. Oh, maybe there's a bit. It nearly fell off. Let's get some more glue. Let's leave that there for a moment to try and stay in. Oh! Oh, it came off. Punch myself in the face. And the tyre's going up. Can't hear any leaks. Now, a theory with leaving the compressor on, I'm not having read the instructions, of course, because I'm a man, is if it's leaking, it'll draw air through. That's good. That's good. You know what I mean? Right, that's 35 psi on the tyre. Yeah. I don't hear any hissing, do you? That's 35-ish, give or take, shadow. Right, I'll disconnect this and check it tomorrow morning. See if it held. If it did, I'll take the Discovery to work. If not, I'll take Priscilla. Again, sorry for being so long in between the editing of the videos, but I will get caught up soon. Philip's going back to the UK in a couple of weeks, so I have no real excuse not to get on and edit, although I am going to start hitting it again very soon. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you for staying with me. This is obviously the random crap that I end up doing, getting around a bit, and always looking to explore further afield. But thank you very much for watching. Stay safe out there. Take care. Bye now. It's taken us far longer to film this bit than what it has done to repair the tyre. So the tyre is back together and it seems to be holding air. It's been holding air for the past 2 hours. The pressure is still at 35 psi, so I have some faith that it'll stay at 35 psi, but I wanted to edit this video and get it out there to let you guys know what's going on roughly with me, because to be honest I don't even know. Naturally there's going to be some skepticism about the repair that I've done. Out here in Saudi Arabia it is a recognised repair. They're happy for you to have plugs in your tyre. And I know back in the UK it's frowned upon the way that I've done it. Normally they will debead the whole tyre, clean out the back of it and put a patch on. I know the guys that Drew and the boys that I used back in Somerton, that's exactly what they do. They would never ever do this. In the States this is more of a temporary repair to get you off the trail, to get you home. And obviously I do have a full tyre spare on the Discovery and I could throw that on to get it repaired elsewhere, but to be honest all the Saudis are going to do here is do exactly what I've done, and it's always a good experience to try it yourself, rather than you having, you know, the pressures of you being with friends out on a trail somewhere and all of a sudden this happening. It's also good to have an idea. All in all, it took me about 22 minutes, I think, start to finish. Obviously on the other camera where I was out with the wheel, and I'm quite happy with it. Repair. I didn't cut it off at the end. Some people say cut it off. Some people say it'll wear off. And obviously I just smushed it back into the hole as much as I could. But tomorrow morning will be the biggest challenge, I think. And yeah, I've never known it go wrong really. The tyre, you've probably noticed in some of the shots, it is cracking down the in between the grooves, and that's normal for here. Tyres don't last that well. I may change them. At the moment, I want to put the rear ones actually on the front and put the front on the rear, because at the moment the fronts are getting scrubbed off quite quickly. But I'll change them in the future. I don't know what. There won't be anything aggressive. It'll probably be something along the similar lines as what it's got. At the moment, it's running some Genu type affair. But anyway, that's enough of me ranting and raving. Again, thank you for watching. Leave a comment down below if you've got any questions, or if there's anything you want to know about Saudi Arabia or that sort of thing, or what off-roading's like here. Excellent is really how I say it. I don't know why more Saudis don't do it, but then again, if they've been brought up around here, then they don't see the appeal. Anyway, that's enough of me. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe out there. Take care. Bye now.